Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Zkteco model and firmware, because procedures differ. Once done, export users and logs to USB or network so you can restore later. Make sure the unit is on AC power and stable. Do not rely on battery. Next, log in as admin or access the local menu. Navigate to System or Options. If your model uses a physical reset, locate the tiny recessed button. Press or follow the on-screen path to initiate the reset sequence. You now perform the reset itself. Access System, restore factory reset, or insert a pin and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds depending on model. When prompted, confirm the wipe. Remember, this removes user templates, logs, and network settings. If the firmware chooser appears, decide whether to retain current firmware versus full reinstall. Keep firmware unless you need an upgrade. Then let the device run through the process. Do not power cycle it midway, or you risk corrupting system files. Once the reset finishes, the device will reboot to factory defaults and present the initial setup. You should immediately reconfigure network, time, and admin credentials, then re-enroll users or import your backup. Make sure templates and access levels are verified before returning the unit to service. If the device fails to boot or behaves unstable, try a firmware reflash from a known good file via USB or serial tool. If that does not fix it, escalate to Zkteco support for a recovery image or R.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.